All right, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again, Otemu Ogenenyeru teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Math Success. I've dealt with three problems on simultaneous linear and quadratic equation. One is when the here is equation 2 is x squared plus y squared. The other one, when it is x squared minus y squared. This is the third one. Now, to solve the following simultaneous equation, 3x plus y is equal to 7. I will call this equation 1. Then xy is equals to 2. I will call this equation 2. You can from equation 1 form equation 3. You can also from equation 2 form equation 3. When I was teaching my children, I from equation 1 form equation 3. But now I want to teach using equation 2. And that's it from equation 2. Let us form equation 3. From equation 2, let us form equation 3. Equation 2 says xy is equal to 2. So I can either make x the subject of the formula or make y the subject of the formula. Okay, let me make x. Now let's divide through by y. So this will cancel this. So x is equal to 2 over y. I will call this equation 3. I'll now say put equation 3 into equation 1. Take note, it's from equation 2. I form equation 3. So I will put 3 into 1. And what is equation 1 telling us? It said 3x plus y is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. And what is x here? Is 2 over y. So anywhere I see x, I will put 2 over y. So here is 3 times 2 over y plus y is equals to 7. So let me clear the bracket. So let me write this. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 over y plus y is equal to 7. So multiply through, or you can say multiply each term by the denominator, which is y. So here is y times 6 over y plus y times y is equal to 7 times y. This will cancel this. So you are left with 6. Y times y give us y raised to the power of 2. Here is equals to 7y. I want to carry the 7y to this place and rearrange it to make it equal to 0. And now write y squared. This will now come minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Y squared minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we use the last term, which is plus 6, to multiply the first term, which is y squared. Give us 6y squared. And what are the two values multiplied will give you 6, and the two numbers will be negative. When you add the two negative values, give us minus 7. It's minus 6y and minus y. Minus 6y minus y give us minus 7y. I have satisfied this. Y minus 6 times minus 1 is plus 6. Now, let's go further here and solve. Alright? Now write y squared. In place of minus 7y, I'll put minus 6y and minus y. Minus 6y minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, we can now factorize by grouping. We can now factorize by grouping. So I will group here. I will put this minus because yes, plus 1. When I take the minus off, that positive value will change to negative value. What is the common factor? Yeah, H here, the highest common factor. What is common between here is y. When you use y to divide y square, you are left with y. Use y to divide 6y is 6. Now, our duty is to factorize the other side. Now, what is common here is minus 1. What is common there is minus 1. When I use minus 1 to divide y, you are left with y. Minus 1 to divide my plus 6 is minus 6 is equal to 0. I come again. Minus 1 dividing y is minus y. Minus 1 dividing plus 6 is minus 6. The two brackets must be the same. So let me pick what is outside the bracket now. Y minus 1. And the two brackets now say y minus 6 is equal to 0. So what do? We equate each of the brackets to 0. Now, I'm not saying y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 6 is equal to 0. So when minus 1 crosses become plus 1. When minus 6 crosses become plus 6. So these are the two values of y. So let us find the corresponding value of x. Here we now say, I'm not saying x is equals to 2 over y. That was our equation 3. X is equals to 2 over y is our equation 3. We can get it because I've cleaned it. We can get it from here. Look at it there. Now, let us substitute the value of y so that we can get the value of what? Of x. When x is, when y is equal to 1, I mean y now. So x is equals to 2 over y, which means x is 2 over 1 and is equals to 2. So in coordinate geometry, you write the value of x before the value of y. So 2, 1. 2, 1. When y is equal to 6, let's get the value of x. So that right, x is equal to 2 over y, which is equal to 2 over the y is now 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. It's equal to 1 over 3. So this is the value of x and value of y. Now write 1 over 3, 6. I told you in coordinate geometry, write x before y. X, y in coordinate geometry. So the required solution is 2, 1 and 1 over 3, 6. This is the required solution. So subscribe again and get more of this question as time goes by so that we can get the answer again. God bless you.